Of course, many traders try to predict where the market will be in the coming few days, week or even month, but you will find that your trading will be painless if you follow a simple trading tip. Ensure you only trade what you see, and not what you think you see. Hi, welcome to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing, so that you don't miss future videos. Remember to hit the like button just to motivate us to continue making these videos. By the way, if you are interested in making money online via trading etc., visit the links in the description box below. Let's get into today's video. As a Forex trader, the question is never whether you should trade with your emotions. When it comes to Forex trading, it's impossible to avoid your emotions, especially given the amount of risk involved. Forex traders must make nerve-wracking judgments about what positions they will take every day. The questions that arise for those who want advice on controlling their emotional responses while trading include: what can I do before entering into an open position? Is there anything else I could be doing after opening said position? As long as you remain objective and ask yourself these types of questions, you will be able to regulate your emotions and keep greed, hope, and fear at bay. One of the most difficult aspects of Forex trading is maintaining objectivity and a rational perspective. This can be challenging since our emotions frequently sway us, especially in this volatile market environment. Here are some tips to assist you in ensuring that your decisions are not clouded by emotion. Stop trying to outbeat the market. Sooner or later, new traders make an emotional trading error and lose money by making decisions based on possible events. It is common for individuals to execute trades without a trade setup present on the charts, regardless of how experienced they are in Forex trading. They go into each day believing that the price could do this or that because it should, regardless of what transpires with other currencies all around the world simultaneously. Stop getting attached. Everything in the Forex market is unpredictable. Even if you believe you see a perfect situation or setup on your charts, it's vital to remember that market fluctuations may happen at any time. Don't make decisions based only on one aspect of the market. Constantly take into account other factors such as current market volatility. Allow your emotions to guide you through the volatility of Forex trading. The market is unpredictable, and it is impossible to predict what will occur. As a result, believe that every trade has a possibility of success, even if things don't appear to be perfect. Create stop losses before initiating any trades to manage risk. Because all positions are speculative. Investments with substantial risks, there is no excuse for being taken advantage of or over-leveraged in one position. Allow price action to leave clues on which direction traders should be looking to, rather than becoming emotionally attached to any trade or idea about how the Forex market might behave. Those who wish to succeed must constantly manage their risk even if they find themselves in seemingly perfect conditions. Learn to control yourself if you want to make money in Forex. Avoiding trading against oneself is one of the most crucial Forex trading strategies. Traders can devote all of their time and effort to mastering a technique, but if it fails, they get emotionally attached to their trades because they feel an external force has caused them pain or loss. But the reality is that no one cares more about how well we are performing than ourselves. When traders become frustrated with themselves because of losses, it is important to console them, as it simply comes down to reminding them of realities and recognizing that not everyone manages emotions equally. Some individuals require those reminders from time to time, so hopefully others will benefit from them as well. It's critical to learn how to trade what you observe on the price chart and not let your emotions take over following trades. Trading just what you observe will protect you from being manipulated by the Forex market and from succumbing to revenge, greed, and the fear of missing out, FOMO. If you learned something new in today's video, please remember to click the like button. Leave a comment with your thoughts in the comments section below. Again, hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss future videos. We will see you in the next video.